Assalamu alaikum students, this is the continuation of the previous topic. This is the second lesson of numbers, so we'll continue further with it till in the previous we were doing learning about the types of numbers. We learned about the 9 types of numbers. I don't want to repeat and waste your time. So the next 10th is, sorry, let me do some changes. Okay, 10th type of numbers are a square number. A square number. Or you can say perfect squares. Perfect squares. So what are the perfect squares? Perfect squares are the numbers which can be written in square form. Like 1 is a perfect square because that can be written as 1 square. 4 is called a perfect square because that can be written as 2 square. 9 is a perfect square because this can be written as 3 square. And then in the same way, 16, 4 square. 25, that's 5 square. 36, that's 6 square. And 49, 7 square. 64, 8 square. And 81, 9 square. 100, that's 10 square. 121, that's 11 square. And next is 144, that's 12 square. 169 is 13 square. And 196 is 14 square. And if I write it here, 225 is 15 square. So all these are called 1, 4, 16, 25. They are called perfect squares. 36, 49, these are the perfect squares because so these all numbers should be perfect squares, should be on your fingertips because you'll be needing in these calculations in the upcoming topics. Okay, what are the cube numbers? Cube numbers. So a cube number is a cube number or a perfect cube. And this is 11th. Okay. What are the cube numbers? The numbers which can be written in cube form. They are called the perfect cubes. So, like we have 1 cube is equal to 1. We have 2 cube is equal to 8. 3 cube is equal to 27. 4 cube is equal to 64. 5 cube is equal to 125. 6 cube is equal to 216. And 7 cube is 243. Next
Our numbers are finished. Now we are going to start 749 into 7, 7 nines are 63, 7 fours are 28. Okay, 243, it's all right. Okay, factors and multiples. What are the factors? Factors and multiples. Factors means like, for example, we have 15, a number 15. What are the numbers that can divide 15? So they all are called the factors of 15. Factors of 15. That would be equals to number first. The number one can divide 15. Then 2 cannot divide. 3, 15 is divisible by 3. 15 is not divisible by 4. Then 15 is divisible by 5. 15 is not divisible by 6, and so on, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the last 15 is divisible by 15. So all these are called the factors of 15, and 15 is called their multiple. 1, 3, 5 and 15 are called the factors of 15, and 15 is called the multiple of all these. So if write down, if we have to write down the multiples of 15, multiples of 15, that would be all those numbers which comes in the times table of 15 are called the multiples of 15. That means we have to write down the times table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, and all that which comes in times table of 15 are called the multiples of 15. Hope you have understood. If you don't understand something, you can talk to me in the comment section. So I'm going to repeat it again. 15. So all these, 1 divides 15, 3 divides 15, 5 divides 15, 15 divides 15. So all these are called the factors of 15. And 15 is divisible by 15, 30 is divisible by 15, 45 is divisible by 15, 60 is divisible by 15, and 75 is divisible by 15. So all these numbers are called the multiples of 15. That means that comes in the times table of 15. Okay, hope you have understood. Okay, next is prime factorization. Prime factorization. Okay, what is prime factorization? Prime factorization means that you have to find out the all, you have to change a number into factors of, like, we take an example 20. If I ask you to do its factorization, that is, you can say 10 into 2, or you can say 4 into 5. You can say that's yeah, that's okay. So these both are not the, this is not prime factorization, because the factors, this is the, here is one factor is 5, the other is 4, one factor is 2, and the other is 10. This 10 is not a prime number. Here the 4 is not a prime number, so this is not the prime factorization. To write into, to change 20 into product of prime factors is called the prime factorization to change a number into product of prime factors prime factors is called प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. मैं इसलिए लिख रहा हूँ ताकि ये आप लोगों को समझ आ जाए, आपके सामने ये इसकी डेफिनेशन भी हो. डेफिनेशन तो नहीं है ये, मतलब ये कि एक्चुअली आप क्लियरली डिफाइन हो कि व्हाट आई वांट एक्चुअली. दिस इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 20. These are the two factors, 10 and 2, but 10 is not a prime number. There are two factors, it is changed into two factors, 4 and 5, but it's not a prime number. So 20, prime factorization, how to change 20 into prime factors. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. Okay, we'll start dividing by the first prime number. So 2 is the first prime number. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. So 2 tens are 20, 2 fives are 10, and then 5 ones are 5. So writing 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, and 2 raised power of 2, because 2 is repeating 2 times. So we can write it as a 2 square. 2 raised power of 2 into 5. That's the prime factorization. That is called the prime factorization of 20. Now this one. Okay, let me do another example for you. Okay, this is 128. Find the prime factorization of 128. So we'll find out its prime factorization. First prime number is 2, 2 6 are, 2 4s are, then 2 3s are, 2s are, 2 1s are, 6 are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, and 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. So now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write 2 raised to the power of 7. This is your answer. You have changed 128 into prime factors. Prime factorization. We have done the prime factorization of 128. Hope you have understood the concept. And now we'll move to the next part, inshallah. So I will talk to you in the next video.